From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big day on LA with incredible great news about your big crypto investments. I'll go over the top cryptocurrency coins of 2021. And the great news is that Ethereum and Bitcoin are delivering on Saturday, but the rest of the news is that other coins are not. What's going on? It's a Saturday, and crypto is supposed to be up on Saturday going into Sunday. Not a lot of performances being delivered, with the exception of Solana, which is up 14% today. Other coins going down. Excuse me? In this recording, we'll go over the top cryptocurrency coins for you to invest in, the coins to stay away from. More importantly, we'll analyze whether it's a bear market or a bull market. We'll look at a dozen coins, starting with, of course, Bitcoin, slightly up, but not a lot. Ethereum slightly sideways, but barely up. Doge falling from 31 cents to 28 and is now barely doing anything. And there's Solana. Oh my goodness. That's not the daily chart, but even so, my lord. There's Polygon going negative. We have Aave going negative on a Saturday morning going into Saturday afternoon. Compound down. Decentraland barely up. And the bloodbath continues. Look at that. Sushi Swap struggling. And there is synthetic really sideways, which is we'll look at a lot of coins across the board and understand what's going on. Why is this market not delivering? Is it bear or is it bull? I've been telling you over the last 5 days, it's bear for everyone but Bitcoin and Ethereum. Am I changing my position? I'll explain it more in this big crypto broadcast starting right now, and this is LA. Thank you for joining me. So subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, a YouTube record. Fastest growing cryptocurrency channel there is. I want you part of this family. Hit that subscribe button right now. Like the video and consider becoming a member. Meantime, sign up for those LA alerts, especially if you're a crypto viewer, because guess what? I got 2 shows per day, and I don't want you to miss either of them or any breaking news about cryptocurrency. It's totally free. It's at news.la.com/alerts. A link is in the description of this video. The landing page looks like this. You put in your name and email address, and you get alerts when something happens. Watch for the confirmation email. It may be in the spam folder or the promotions folder of Gmail. Click the blue button, and away you go, and you are subscribed and ready to get those free alerts. 100% free and captivating a country across the board. What's going on with cryptocurrency? Big problems. Big problems. I'll tell you what's really the issue. The issue is lack of upside. Coins are not going up enough, and I'll tell you why. We had a series of market crashes which progressed over many, many weeks, starting in May. 4 market crashes. After the last market crash, bear market, I was emphatic. Bear market means down, bull market means up. Bear market at the time, I said don't buy any coin because within 3 months the coins will be devalued. You'll pay $10 for them and they'll be worth $8 in a few weeks. And coins did devalue. They went down week after week after week. It was clearly a bear market. Everything was going down. What's a bear market? A bear market means you're not making money. It's as simple as that. So is a bull market flat? No. A bull market, if a market's flat, it's not bullish. Bull means up. Flat does not mean bullish. Along the way, as we were devaluing, this is what I told viewers, that not every bear market is just a crashing downward. You progressively slide, and then you may have a week when you're flat. You may have a week when you're a little bit up, and then you just slide more. Not everything is a downward crash to the bottom. And that is what happened. Coins devalued. We had 10 days where those anomaly coins covered on this channel. I call them anomaly coins. Aave, Compound, Decentraland, Synthetic, Sushi Swap delivered 10 up days, really strong up days, and I said that was it. And they were done. You had it as a buying opportunity to trade, not as a buy and hold. And people made a lot of money. They bought Aave at $180, so $300, doubled their money, got out, got in, and understood it was not long term. It was a 10-day run. It was done. So what happened with Bitcoin and Ethereum? They started running upward 3 weeks ago. Not this week, not the week before, but the week before that. And they ran upward. But as they ran, nothing else ran with them. Really troubling at the time, because Bitcoin and Ethereum are the poster childs of this industry. If they run, they get news coverage. And as they get news coverage, there gets euphoria, there gets excitement, positivity. People say, oh, my other coins will go up. Maybe I should buy some other coins because Bitcoin and Ethereum are going up. Didn't happen that first week. And Bitcoin and Ethereum really ran a lot. Bitcoin was 29,000. Ethereum was 1,900. And within about a week, Bitcoin got to 40,000 and Ethereum got to 30,000. Now, you and I know that 40,000 Bitcoin is no achievement. It's just not an achievement. So I said, I need Bitcoin over 47,000 and Ethereum over 3,200 and the other altcoins running with them, going up. Otherwise, I'm not calling it bull. And guess what happened? It happened the next week, but for 2 days. 2 days? Yeah, 2 days is not a bull market. It's just bullish activity. Bullish activity. The rest of the coins ran up in those 2 days a lot. But that was it. Polygon went from 80 cents to $1.50. Aave went from the 300s to the high 400s. Yeah, there was a big run, but it was 2 days. And that was it. So then last week, they didn't do it at all. Last week was flat or down. And then this week, down. So now you see, the other coins had no excitement, no run up. If you look at the 7-day chart on most coins, with the exception of just a few, which I'm going to go over in a second, they remained relatively flat or down because they didn't do it. Where are we gauging this market for the rest of the coins? We're looking at those Wednesdays and Thursdays. Why? Because the Wednesdays and Thursdays are the real big days that are variable. If you've been with this channel for a while, you know what certain days of the weeks always deliver on this channel. And if they don't deliver, there's another problem about it. I'm going to go over it right now as well. These are how the days work for crypto. Monday is an up day. Tuesday is a bloodbath, very down. Wednesday and Thursday are variable days. Friday starts to be relatively up, but then turns down by the end of the day, then turns up at the end of the day. And then Saturday, the first half of Saturday, is the highest price point of the entire week. Then Saturday noontime downturns, continues to erode into Sunday. Sunday's the lowest point of the entire week. Then Monday comes back, second highest day of the week. So here we go. Saturday morning, highest price point of the whole week. Monday, second highest. Lowest day of the whole week, Sunday. And the second lowest day of the week, Tuesday. Variable Wednesday and Thursday. What does variable mean? You want to see a big run on that Wednesday or Thursday. If you don't see a big run up on that Wednesday and Thursday, then when's the run going to happen? So what happened this week? Wednesday, no run up, flat or down. Thursday, no run up, flat or down. To which I said, that's a big problem. That's bear. Bear like you ever seen a bear. It's a real grizzly bear moment. It's a bear activity. You're not delivering on those potential variable days. So I said, what are we going to do? Wait for Saturday to be really up this week? What's going to happen? We're going to wait for Saturday to give us an incredible 30% up because we are so horrible on Wednesday and Thursday? So what happened on Friday? Friday, everything moved up 8 hours earlier. It happened about the last week and the week before, where sometimes the Saturday run-up happens on a Friday, but about 6 to 8 hours earlier. But it wasn't that high up on Friday. It was up, 3%, 4%. So what's happening today? Most coins are down. What? On Saturday? You don't deliver anything for me on the upside on Wednesday. You don't deliver anything for me up on the Thursday. Then your Friday, you do my Saturday on a Friday, but 8 hours earlier, and you barely do much of anything, 3% up. And then my Saturday is down? Who do you think you are playing games with me, coin? Unreal. No, it's real. It's called bear market. It's a bear market. Now, which coins are slightly out of the bearish activity and are slightly impressive? Well, Solana is on a run today, up 14%. Yeah, Solana is really doing great stuff. Polygon has been improving, but it's not, I would not say bullish. It's just not as bearish as the other coins. The best performing of the altcoins have been Polygon, Solana, Cardano, and Aave. Not always at the same time, but at least in the last 7 days. The rest of the coins, not doing anything, devaluing as a bear market devalues. But Bitcoin and Ethereum going up. So let's look at the other coins first before we look at Bitcoin and Ethereum and understand why this is not something you want to see on a Saturday. Saturday going to Sunday, you want to see massive things up. You want to see 10, 20 coins up 15% because Sunday is going to be a down day. You want to see a whole sea of green charts, things way up on a Saturday, 10, 20%, massive spikes. And let's look at what we're seeing. SushiSwap. It's a green chart, but look, it's barely the same as it started the day. You're looking at Gemini. My mouse is in the chart. Look at the price point up in the left corner, and it's $1.92. We started the day at. Where are we right now? Oh, congratulations. We're up 8 cents. We're up 8 cents on a $12 coin. Yeah, that's flat. That's not what you do on a Saturday. Here's Synthetic. What's Synthetic? It started the day at $12. Where is it right now? Oh, it's $12.05. It's up 5 cents. Yeah, that ain't gonna cut it any day of the week. Here is I'll come back to you in a second. Bitcoin. Here, let's look at some of the other surprises across the board. Here is Polygon, red chart. So started the day at $1.49. Went as low as $1.44 and is down $1.47. It's down for the day. It's down on a Saturday. And the time of this recording is Saturday morning. So I'm not even talking about Saturday afternoon yet. Now here's Aave. 370 started the day and is now 368. So, and I'm even gonna give the 8-hour increment the benefit of the doubt. I told you that everything happened 8 hours earlier on Friday. That's the run up started on Friday more so than Saturday. But you should still see the chart, higher on the start of the day and sliding down. It's not. It's just a bad day. It's just a down day. Here is Compound. Yeah, it's green, but how did it start the day? It started the day at $4.15. Where is it right now? Oh, it's up $3. Congratulations. $3 on a $400 coin. Yeah, that's flat. Here's Decentraland. That's a little bit better. Started the day at 91 cents, 93 cents. Now, Decentraland has actually had an interesting 3 days here. Let's look out a little bit further on Decentraland. Let me look at... Let me look out a little bit further on Decentraland. Let's see what it's doing. There you go. So Decentraland is slightly inclining upward. So Decentraland is taking its time, but it is improving. Over 7 days, it's gone from 70 cents to 92 cents. If you've been with this channel for a while, we had this about 5 weeks ago where Decentraland was just very slow, and then suddenly it runs. So I would watch Decentraland. It could possibly give you a big run to $1.10 out of nowhere because it's just taking its time and going up. And there you go. I mean, that is the industry. Let's look at a few more coins to give reference point. There's Solana. Now, I told you Solana was way up today. Yeah. Now, this is not a one-day chart, but even so, you can understand how high Solana is up. It has had this massive run of $30 to $80 in just a few days. Here's Doge. Just not bueno. No bueno. Doge started the day at 28 cents. It is now 29 cents. It was 31 cents 2 days ago. Let's see what Doge has done for the 7-day chart. Yeah. 7-day chart, just straight down, 33 cents to 28 cents. If that looks like bear, it should look like a bear. It's just sliding down. Let's look out further on Doge. Let's see what Doge has done there. So Doge had that 19-cent period, which was after the last market crash, and got itself up to 32, but look, it's going right back down. Now let's look out to Bitcoin and Ethereum, understand what they're doing. Okay, so here's Bitcoin for the day. Interesting move right here. Looks very programmatic. See that straight shot up? It started the day at 48,200, went as high as 49, then pulled down to 48,500, then shot up to 49, pulling back down. Now, that's good. That's what you would expect most coins to do for today. So the fact is, it's up about $1,000 for a $50,000 coin. Here's Ethereum. This is nothing. This is horrible. You're starting the day at 3,200 and you're still at 3,200. It's almost negative for the day. We need to really go into our split screen and let's look at, actually just go into split screen. Let's go into the split screen and see where the rest of the coins, where this whole industry is going. This is not what you need on a Saturday. You need a big run up on Saturday. Otherwise, what are you going to do to me on Sunday? I mean, you're going to be down on Sunday. Here we are at split screen with coinmarketcap.com. We're going to pull up coinmarketcap.com. We're going to go to the third column. We're going to click that third column, and it'll rank the coins based upon the 24-hour. So what are the best performing coins the last 24 hours? How many coins do we have over 10% up for Saturday? 4. Yeah, 4 coins, and everything else is not more than a few percentage points up. Yeah, 4. We have Solana up 12%, which is up 27% for the week. We have Audio, which is up 15%, which is down for the week. We have CELO up 17%, which is up 47% for the week, and Airweave, which is up 28% and up 58% for the week. That's it. That's not a good Saturday, where only 4 coins are double-digit up for the day. What coins are down for the day? A lot of coins are down for the day. But there's nothing down double digits. It's all 5%, 10%. How about the 7-day? What are the best performing coins of the 7 days? We have a few exterior coins like Revane and Tezos. They're up 30%. There's Solana up 27%. But the rest of the coins you won't really recognize. What are the worst performing coins over the last 7 days? Some of these coins you will recognize. SushiSwap down 13% for the 7 days. Synthetic down 13% for the 7 days. Shiba, Bloodbath down 13%. Doge down 13%. Compound down 11% for the 7 days. Polygon down 11% for the 7 days. So a lot of very familiar names. KUSAMA down 10% for the 7 days. Aave down 10% for the 7 days. Yeah, this is because they did not deliver this week. They did not deliver last week. They did not deliver the week before that. There is no such thing as a 2-week chart, but if there was, you would see the same thing, where coins are just generally down for the last 2 weeks. So what is my position on the situation then? My position is coins are in a bear market, with the exception of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Any coin that you're looking in this market at, do not treat it as a buy and hold investment opportunity. You can't. You don't buy something and for 3 weeks it doesn't go up. You can buy a stock for that. The stock market's been really up for the last 3 weeks. You could buy even the most simplest of stock and it'll be up for the last 3 weeks, 4%, 5%, 10%. And these coins, the vast majority of all altcoins, are down for the last 3 weeks, after they've been down for the last 3 months. Yeah, it's a very bearish market. And that's why you have to be very, very cautious. 3 weeks ago, the coins gave those 2 days of runs. And I think a lot of people that are not viewers of this channel, that are viewers of other channels, may have said, hey, let's go buy. And now you're way down. You're way down. You do not buy on the activity of the excitement of 2 days. You got to look out on the chart and say, wait a second. This coin has been down for 3 months. You gave me 2 days up. I'm not going to buy on the excitement of those 2 days and think that something has changed fundamental. A market change is not exemplified by 2 days of change. It's exemplified by a week of change or 2 weeks of change. And these coins are not delivering. Meantime, what we've seen over the last 3 weeks is that when Bitcoin and Ethereum go down, the coins do go down. So that Bitcoin and Ethereum does not draw the coins up, it does draw them down. So what are the opportunities for you? What can you be doing with this market? You can only really still be trading. 2 trading opportunities for you. I'm going to deliver them for you starting right now. We're going to be day trading or flipping. Day trading is when the market's up and when the market's down. Flipping is generally when the market's up. You approach and enter the same way. You're looking for a coin that's up about 16% for the day, 17%, 18%. You look at its chart and say, can I ride you up another 20%? You think that it can go up another 20% because it did it recently. And then you buy the coin, you hold the coin until you get that pop that you get to that 20%. Day trading, what you're doing is you're going in and you're getting out within a day and a half. Once you reach that 20% profit level, then be cautious and be ready to get out as soon as it downturns. As soon as it downturns, you get out, you take your profits, you're done. And you do it again. If it's still going up, 21%, 22%, 23%, don't sell, stay in there. Be very cautious. And if it rolls into a longer period than a day and a half, then you're what's called flipping. Flipping is generally when the whole market is up and you're in the position for up to 3 days. Why do I say up to 3 days? Because it usually tanks out on the third day. Starts to lose speed by the second day, but usually tanks out by the third day. By the second day, you have to be very cautious because when it falls very abruptly. And by that third day, you'll be out. When do these trading opportunities usually exemplify themselves? Buying on Friday, selling on Saturday. Buying on Sunday, selling on Monday. Now, why? Because Mondays are way up, Saturdays are way up, Fridays are down, Sundays are down, Tuesdays are down. So you need to buy when those waves are. I've had a lot of coins that I've shown in the last few days where they've had these trading ranges. Trading ranges is where a coin won't go above a range. This keeps on hitting that range. If you look at a coin that you like an Aave that has a trading range, and you think that trading range is significant enough to give you a profit level, then you can also buy on a trading range. A trading range may be something like the coin goes from $1 to $1.50 and then $1 to $1.50. It just keeps on doing it. Well, guess what? That's 50% return on your investment. If you can buy at the low end, then you could sell at the high end. You could repeat that trading range, buying and selling and buying and selling. It has to be a range that is big enough to give you, double-digit returns. If it's only, a 3% return, you're not going to do it. And if you see a coin repeating that trading range 2-3 times in the last few days, then do it. Ultimately, you're looking at a very short horizon. Don't look at something that happened 2 months ago, 3 months ago. It's what's happening in the last few days. And we had a couple coins that have done that, where they sort of hit this plateau, they come back down, but they don't go lower than that, and then they repeat again. You can do that as well. But with that, Bitcoin, Ethereum will certainly go higher. With Bitcoin, really at pushing that $50,000, it's really at its May levels. Bitcoin was a $60,000 coin for a blink of an eye in May, but it didn't sustain there. It was basically a $50,000 coin. And guess what Bitcoin is right now? 49,000. So it's really at those May levels. Congratulations to Bitcoin. Ethereum was never really a $4,000 coin. It was like a $3,300 coin in May. So it's really at its May levels. What's next for those two coins? I don't know. I don't know if they'll go higher than their May levels. I really don't think so. But I really think that there's something fundamentally misaligned in a market where everything but Bitcoin and Ethereum are in bearish tendencies. Yeah, I know Solana's done well. Yeah, I know Cardano and Polygon and Aave have had some very good days here and there over the last few days. But you can't have 90% of the altcoins down and down badly over 5, 6, 7 weeks and just Bitcoin and Ethereum up. It's not going to continue like that. Something's going to change. I don't know what it is, but for now, understand the rest of the market bear, Ethereum and Bitcoin bull. Would I buy Ethereum and Bitcoin at this level? Absolutely not. No. Would I sell at this level? No, I wouldn't sell at this level either. It's a fascinating trading range. Bitcoin had a $40,000 to $60,000 trading range in May. At the moment, it's in a tighter trading range as Ethereum. Ethereum is doing about a $3,000 to $3,200 trading range, and Bitcoin is doing about a $44,000 to $50,000 trading range. Very, very tight. We'll stay with that and some more. 2 shows every day here on this channel. Morning's Crypto live on air at about 9:45, 10 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time, live on air from Santa Monica. And then overnight's Crypto every day at 3:45, right after afternoon's LA. And with that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And hit that button and subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, a YouTube record. I want you part of this family. Hit that subscribe button. Like the video, 3,000 likes, and consider becoming a member. Meantime, sign up for those LA alerts so you get alert when anything happens, including a new video or anything for crypto across the board. Totally free. That's news.la.com. Have a beautiful day and stay here. Stay informed, stay focused, always stay motivated, and stay with LA.